Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us for another in our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. Today we're going to look at the simple function of printing. We have built into the iOS and the iPad OS app the ability for you to share with your printer a quote, a chapter, or a selection. So how do you do that? Let's dive right in and I'll show you how. First of all, I'm just going to go to a quote that I want to print out, and I'm going to look for unceasing prayer to God. And you can see here, I have here in prayer 283, the quote that I want to print. So I'm actually going to click here on this paragraph and I'm just going to select that selection. And then we're going to click on the little Apple share icon here. And instead of sharing, we're going to select at the top, you can see the row of copy, print, share. We're going to click on print. And then we're just going to click on print selection. And as you can see here, when I select the printer, okay, which I have here, my wireless printer upstairs, I can just click on print and away it goes and it will print it out. Now, if I want to print more than just a selection like that, I can actually come back here and I could just select any part of the text, click on the share again, click on the print, and I could print the whole chapter if I so desired. See how you could print the whole chapter. I won't print it out and use up all that paper. Also, if I wished, I could also just select some text, but I could actually choose, when I click the print here, I can actually choose to print a range. So if I select the first page of text that I want, and then I can come down here and select the end range of text that I want. Say I want to go down to page 287, and I go click print range, it will now build that range of text that I want to print. Okay, so that's the basic function of all you need to do to use the print function within the EGW Writings 2 app. Thanks for joining us. I hope this tip has helped you to be able to print from the app very simply and easily. Something that you can take along and share with a friend or share with a Sabbath school class, or maybe some sermon notes that you want to print out. Thanks for joining us now. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.